Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coronations. We do custom events. We do destination weddings. Anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. I am a certified wedding planner. I am also a certified florist. Today we're going to continue on where we left off. We were talking about some of the unique things you can do with your wedding. Yesterday we talked about opening. I'm doing a bar, a tasting bar, doing a custom wedding to weave into your family heritage. We talk about the dinner menu. We talk about a guest book. We also talk about alternate bridal bouquet choice, like as far as the standard bouquet you do, like a wreath, a ring, a circle, and so on and so forth. We also touch base on painting. We touch base on the incorporating the ring exchange, and also entertainment for the cocktail hour. So we touch base on a lot of things. So today I'm just gonna continue on where we left off. And right now we are number 38. Show your guests your hospitality with a welcome guide. So what this is that you can do like have like a little basket or like a stock on a stocking paper, a stocking basket where you can have little saying from your wedding, the venue, kind of something like a map, but it's not like a welcome bag. You have like a cocktail hours included in the stationery, like a kind of like when you go to the mall and you have this map and you just it's like a tour, like when you go to art museums and all these different places, they have on the card a little on card to show you where it is that you go and what's your ride, what's the next stop. So you can kind of do something unique like that, like end of something. If you're doing a destination wedding, I'm sorry, you like a welcome bag, you include that in your welcome bag, or even like regular wedding anywhere else. You can have these little cute things, kind of look like a tour, but I think especially for a destination wedding, it would be really cute. Um, so you can incorporate that's what I think that's well. And also what you can do is that you can add some sentimental backdrop to your ceremony. Something, the sweetest note on OSI piece of paper, a parchment paper that is, a core favorite passage from your book, a favorite chord, Bible voices, anything that's specialized to you that mean a lot to you, you can have it incorporate in your event. Some of the first thing that you like together, something funny, something, oh my god, something serious, and have those things incorporated as well. And then another thing, your pets, your furry pets, for those who have pets, you can incorporate into the wedding. My only advice is that don't give little kids furry pets, furry babies, wedding ring. If you want to be a ring bearer or something walking down the aisle, just do that. You can incorporate letter hint of inspire. You can do something, a silhouette, a phrase, something like that to incorporate your pet into your wedding and a dance ceremony. But the only thing with that, you have to be careful because it's pet. Sometimes pets may not train. You tell them to go straight, it might go left to go right, and it's a lot. But just you can always include that into your ceremony space as well. And also your exit strategy when you're leaving. Do something cute. If you're getting ready on a beach, you can do maybe like a little boat exit. You can even do the sparkler exits. That's kind of really neat. Something glam, something instead of just exiting the wedding just like that, and pick something stylish and cute that kind of make the guests remember it. Because you think about it, when you come into the wedding, you have this great entrance. When you going out, go out with a bang. So you can cover a lot of things that will be chic and pretty and jetting off into that as well. And then also when you're doing a wedding, maybe a rustic wedding, something in a park or something outdoors, you want to keep the weather in mind. Maybe you can have these little neat umbrellas, or maybe something like a little blanket to keep them cool, or some fan, especially when we're doing something in the rainforest, something outdoorsy. So you can do things to snuggle people to just to make it look unique and cute. Um, just so that guests, just in case when the guest got cold, you got this nice signature blanket, and that can be used as a favor as well. And if it's hot, have these nice fans or something. Umbrella, different thing, umbrella for sunny days, and different things that kind of make it well. And another thing is I think about an alternate way to do your first dance. So a lot of things people play, they can start off with a slow game and then go into a different dance. They do a lot of things. Some people play games, some people do something different, unique, just something to entertain so that you got something quirky that you guys like to do that as well. So there's a lot of option you have. And this way kind of get you going into your life, because you think about it, you're inviting your friends and family. Yes, they might know you, but a few people who are close to you know certain things about you and other people don't. So that's where you can share a little bit more into that. And then when this is one I really love, your guests can win a VIP worthy basket. So you can do something cute where you can have favorite food, favorite drinks, and make this something like that. Something to make an impact statement. And you can have maybe a little raffle or something, kind of like when people ask questions and who answer the rest, kind of like something you do for your reception, but you can incorporate in that, see who know you the best. Something to demonstrate, how you care for each other, so you can have this thing, man. And this is something really good, I think, especially for a destination wedding, because a lot of guests is coming far. You can have a treatment, fill the basket with all these little things that reflects, and also hand it to them as well as they come in, and just make that day a little bit like, oh, something to hold on to it as well. So another thing is that the bubbly, who doesn't like drinks? You can have your bubbles on wheels. So you can have this little cute little cart or mobility, the champagne and things like that. I'm doing a wedding in August, and the couple is from Cameroon, and they celebrate. The cake has their own entrance, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. So that's a little thing. So same how the couple coming with the grand entrance, the cake is actually not in the ceremony. You keep it outside the ceremony the whole time, and then during the entrance where the cakes are coming after the couple come in, you have this whole entrance with the couple. They are dressing something different. So it's a lot of things. So there's a lot of culture and things that you can do to incorporate your wedding. And then another thing is get personal. Who doesn't want to? For your wedding, let your guests know to know you and your couple, your partner better. Setting things, as I said, setting things you can do that from your place cards, from what you met, when your first date. You can even do these unique drinks custom at the bar. You can have the senator drinks for bride versus groom. The bride, this is what she likes. The groom life, incorporate things down the line that show people to get a little bit about you guys. You can do a slideshow. You can incorporate a lot of custom thing, with dates and something, for just people know how these unique things that make you guys who you are. So try to incorporate it as best as possible. And also you want to do is that incorporate your vows into the decor. So if you're reading your vows prior before, you can have it on maybe like the table runner. You can have it reading on the stationery. You can have those things incorporate in there that show that guests can walk through as they see it. Those lovely notes that you work. A lot of things that I do with my couple, especially on the wedding website. I always ask the bride to write their version of how they met and the grown version. And it's so unique to see that, because in the end, it's that what one person thinks is completely different of how they met, because perception is always different. So it's kind of a little cute that people get into that one and see what she thinks about it and how he think about it. So those are some of the unique things that can add to give your guest something a little bit. And another thing is like personalize your bridal bouquet. Instead of it just being one color, and then the same flowers for everybody, you can dress better, can match towards the skin, the jewelry, paint, tulips, and all these different things that stick with the dress. So the dress that they're wearing, the color that they're wearing, it can be different leaf, it can be a single rose, it can be something pretty to go along that complement them. So that's something unique you can do as well. Another thing is that post-wedding snack. You can have, sometimes people have snack, french fry, food, other food like snacks, popcorn, anything that will have in a hotel for especially guests that come in that they can sleep overnight, that have these unique things that they can eat late night. Because you think about it, you're going to have dinner at 8 o'clock, by 7, 8. And by the time the wedding is over, by 11, 12, people are hungry and people want something. It's just a like nice night to incorporate your guests. So that is all for the night. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Linda Gunno, and you have an amazing day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevent.com. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye.